This is our CNC fully automatic dual-station punching machine. Multi-material compatibility not only suitable for aluminum profiles, but also capable of handling various materials, such as stainless steel, iron pipes, plastic pipes, etc. Automated feeding using servo system or precision guide rail to achieve precise feeding, ensuring machining accuracy. High precision machining punching without deformation, no burrs, stable machining quality. If you also have similar processing needs, please feel free to contact us at any time.